Now where are we going? Now where are we going?
We're going to the farm to go scrap some metal.
Alright. You gonna go scrap some metal?
No. I want to walk in it.
What do we do for entertainment on the way there?
Listen to Joshua's video game. No, I mean not Wario, Luigi.
Hey! That's Waluigi and shut it off.
Say, oh, the grind.
No.
Yes, that's what he said.
No.
Oh, the grind.
No. Luigi. No. Mario. No. And I don't think Wario says no.
Let's get together.
I miss.
Let's get together. Yeah. You and I can Let's get together. Yeah.
That's what he sounds like.
On the thing, he says, oh, the grind.
What?
On Super Mario 8, we heard, oh, the grind.
You mean Mario Party 8?
Yeah, Mario Party 8. He says, we went on mini games.
Mario Kart. Hey!
That's funny. No, that's not working. I know what you did.
What?
You gave away my helmet.
I'm gonna go.
No way. Get out of there with that beer. There. Yes. No. There's no excuse.
What is that contraption?
Why, it's my gas-powered wheelchair.
Really? Where do you sit?
Better yet, how do you steer it?
Where do you steer it? Wait, is this the steering wheel?
Joshua!
But where do you steer?
You're wrecking the film.
It's
Jai's gonna show us our horse. Her horse. Your horse, right?
No, it's my mom's horse.
Oh, it's your mom's? I thought it was yours. Look at the pony!
Is that a pony? For sure.
Oh, that's as big as it gets.
Damn.
I could show you a baby if you wanted to. That's only 2 years old.
What's it costing to board them? Here. Too much? You don't want to talk about it.
You can come over here, otherwise you get to get Sam. Come here, Sam.
Sam, grab some
So
grass.
these, those are electric wires?
Yes.
Come on, Sam.
Here, grab some grass.
Here it comes. Come on, Sam. Hi, Sam.
You're right here.
Hi, Sam.
Get the dandelions. Come on. There.
Seeing the lions. Gonna eat those?
So now he's going to follow you. You got food. And he's looking in his bucket. Careful, you gotta get that side of it. Carter did once. He did.
Got zapped.
Oh yeah. He grabbed hold of it once. Hannah did too.
Is he part Clydesdale? He's got
No,
big feet.
He's a Percheron, which is a workhorse.
Yeah, I can tell that by the hoof is very large.
He's not a quarter horse.
Because what's called the rail, it's close to the wall, but it's not in the middle. It's like in between the wall and the middle, and you have to ride on the rail, and you can't cut corners. Cutting corners is like if you were to go like this. You can't do that, so I'm not putting up these cones, so I have to go around them.
Right.
And these larger horses with this, which is a wardrobe, long so you can have them on.
Cool.
Get your horse to move. Slap him on the butt. But my mom doesn't really intentionally use her. She uses her foot. But
Neat.
and there's like barrels that like this is a barrel for well, it's called barrel racing.
That's got to be fun.
Yeah, you run around the barrels. There should be 3 barrels, and you run around the barrels. And like patterns that's like this, you come out, you go around, you go around, you go up, you go around, and you go down.
Figure 8.
No, it's more than
Won't say anything right now. I'm doing this. Here's what me and Roy hauled out of that pit today. Yeah. Look at that, baby.
You hauled a bike out too?
Both bikes.
Wow.
He wants that. Oh, he said something about this thing too. I don't know how you're gonna load that in there though. Well, what level they got in all the brakes and stuff? Oh, yeah, right here.